Good morning, everybody. I'm just going to run a little demonstration on how to use this circuit construction kit. And that's just easier than me putting all the instructions into the lab. So when you open this up, um, this is a nice little function in that we can use this as what we would do in the class for making circuits. So you can see here off to the left, you've got all kinds of options for various things like wires, and I can just drag that wire in and I can move it around by clicking and dragging my cursor. I got things like batteries for power supplies, and I can attach them right to there, which works really well. Here, I'm going to get rid of my camera here because I want to show you some other stuff here. So you can see here off to the right, well, let's finish a little circuit here. If I make a little circuit here and I put, say, a little light bulb in it, I can get that light to run, and that works pretty good. And if I click over here, I can make it look more like a circuit diagram. You can see here now it looks like circuit diagrams than it does the other stuff. All right. Okay, so that's kind of neat. That's a nice little circuit with a light bulb. If I want to open up a circuit, I can double click and I can cut that. If I want to get rid of something, again, I can double click and I can throw that in the garbage. If I want to change the power supply, I can double click and you can see here now I can change the voltage. All right, and that's kind of fun. And if I'm interested in changing the light bulb, I can double click and I can change its properties here, the resistance. All right. If I need to measure some stuff, I can grab an ammeter, and you would have learned in a little video that we connect our ammeters in series. So that means that the electricity is going to flow through the ammeter, and now you can see it's running and I can read the current going through that particular device. And if I want to measure the voltage, for the voltage, I don't need to break the circuit. I just need to touch the device that I'm measuring. So I'll grab the electrodes and put them across. And you can see here that the voltage is 35 volts. And if I double click, you can see here it is set to 35 volts. So that's not surprising. I can also check the voltage across the light bulb. So I can move it across there. And you can see there the voltage used in the light bulb is also 35 volts. I could check the voltage across this wire, but because there's no load here, the voltage dropped off there is 0 volts. All right. So I can drag that wire all around and I can change my circuit, and I can delete things and move things. And you can see here there's all kinds of stuff, resistors and wires and fuses and different batteries. This is a high power supply. And then there's some neat things like dollar bills and coins and erasers. And there's even a hand and even a dog, if you wanted to put a dog in the circuit, to see if you can make electricity flow through it. It's kind of weird, but we could do that. All right, there's a little rundown on how to use that. So hopefully you can make some circuits and do some measurements for me. That'd be awesome. All right, see you later. Have a good one.